Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
जवान आज का समन घाट पर एक विषय एक बिगुलदार बड़ा जवान आपका समन घाट पर हाजिर शमन शमन विसर्जन के लिए अनुमति के लिए चाहिए शमन समन घाट बकल सच
Saluk sir, ya. Saluk sir.
Ulat kejela UCH Vijaya Shankar haka arhuntu trik unai luar arja absan ulasam ya Jingai Sngewbha Longkmie bedang Armet baik Samla luat haka jingle jurep ya dispensary kebadan haka senang hari boy kajingle jurep ulat ya dispensary ha ke Longkmie benta menyesnopti bat ke swatch nari sakshak parivar abhiyan kabalongkum kejingai alap pajba baka sarkar India kala sedang nadu khatnyo trik unai luar arja absan ban pelong yagi program haka lenggari haka baka jing tungu golong bat peniklannya ke koi kekhya naga benta ki riu gunthei kita nadu badang rit wala samla bat khamtam na benta ki Longkmie ki Armet ya ulal lasan ralang du deputy commissioner ki Jingai bhoi u Abhilash Baranwal u district medical and health officer u AR Marak EDC gari bhoi u Raja Brahma ki asha bat ki wei
very unfortunate to say many of them they are suffering out of HIV in the sense AIDS. Do you understand? AIDS or the meaning of HIV. Some of them they are suffering out of HIV here and out of drugs. Many of them they are suffering out of it. These are all the care to be taken along with the heart disease, cancer disease, and kidney disease, and rest of the other disease. These issues also, you people, whenever you go for this program and medical camp takes place, by that time you have to take care of these issues also. You have to address these issues also, and you have to make a chart of it. You have to make a chart of it, and each patient's history. They should be recorded. They should be recorded and it should be maintained properly. So this is what actually I request to the district administration and even to the health department. God bless you. Request everyone to kindly show your applause.
Saluk sir. Saluk sir. Thank you sir. Saluk sir. Look, sir. Thank you, sir.
Please tell them.
This is for pregnant women. Yes, the food basket is diabetes. Mothers plus solids. And Project Pala is an organization that is working in municipal hygiene, which is from Delhi. So they have collaborated, and this has been donated by mostly Socio-Economic Foundation for the adolescent.
What is the major issue here? TB.
Yes, sir. During our country, we used to do the system, especially for the pregnant women. We used to sell it within our site center.
Major issue here. Big issue.
Pin Reels Park ya các tiên là dòng pin đâm cam ya kabakan kiêu các tiên khasi các tiên là dòng ai kan roi kan pa ni don ki kan tiên là dòng balai pat ni puri bat penduk ya la các tiên là dòng kum kan nuksa các kan tiên barikor kamut arts ha các tiên phareng các kan tiên lari tipat kamut culture kumta ya ka arts and culture ni yo da ka ktien khasi barikor bat lariti ki balong ru ki ktien ban ka teng khon u barikor ka lariti lapan mi da ka pati CTV naga menta ka jingmentoi upai ba